Hello all, welcome to my Informatica training channel. This is the continuation on Power Center client tools. Today I am going to talk about Workflow Monitor. Let me explore Workflow Monitor for you now. Workflow Monitor tells you the status of a workflow run. It shows whether a workflow is in running, completed or in failed state. Not only that, it shows you the run stats like how many rows read from source, how many rows inserted into target, how many rows rejected and how many rows yet to be processed. Let's open the Workflow Monitor now. Go to Start, click All Programs, then go to Informatica Power Center, then go to Client and then click Workflow Monitor. Click OK. Workflow Monitor is open now. See, repository is already available in the Workflow Monitor. As we configure designer tool to point to correct repository, my repository name is infra_repo. It is appeared in the left just below the repositories. Now it is time to log into the repository from Workflow Monitor. As you know, I have my own credential. If you want to get your credential in particular environment, then you need to get it from Informatica administrator of that particular environment. I'll right click on infra_repo and then click connect. I typed in username and password and then click connect. There are integration service is also available just below the repository service. Right click on the integration service and click open. Now see, there are three folders available in the navigator window. First one is practice, second one is scenario and third one is training. I will right click on training and open this folder. I'll just extend the navigator window and I'll little extend the output window. There are three windows in the Workflow Monitor. Left side window is navigator, right side window is workspace and bottom window is output window as usual like other tools. I will click on the workflow and see there are 4 different runs information available in the workspace. Top one is most latest one and bottom one is oldest one. So first time run it was failure and next time onward every run was successful. On the same day workflow was executed 2 times. Workflow Monitor cannot display all the runs of a workflow. It can only display few latest run. It displays start time, completion time and status of the run. It can even display the run stats also. Let me show you the run stats. Expand the workflow by double clicking. Now select the session. Right click on the session and go to Get Run Properties. Close leftmost window and then minimize the task details by clicking down arrow. Now expand source and target stats by clicking side arrow. You can see 9 rows are read from source and 3 rows are loaded into the target. There is no rejected rows. Throughput of the rows per second is 9 for source and 3 for target. There was no error encountered during the run and start time and end time of the session run. In Workflow Monitor, you can see the workflow log and session log. Right click on the workflow, then go to Get Workflow Log. Click it. This is a standard workflow log. You can check the details of workflow run and different messages during the workflow run along with the different activity. All things are present in workflow log. Now let me open session log for you. Right click on the session and go to Get Session Log. Click here. This is the session related activity is captured in the session log. You can find the detailed level information related to session run in session log. If session is failed, Then also you can get the details of session error in the session log. Let me close it. There are two types of views available in the workflow monitor. This is the task view, normal one, whatever we selected, and another view is NAT chart. In NAT chart view, workflow run is shown in different time window like 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m. This workflow executed at 9 p.m. window. Most of the time during training, we will check the workflow status, stats and logs in task view only. That is in this view. You can run workflow from workflow monitor also. That's all for now. Please don't hesitate to drop me a mail if you need any clarification on this demo class. Please stay tuned with this channel to learn more about Informatica Power Center. You can drop me a mail to informatica.training007@gmail.com if you want to take training on Informatica. Thanks for watching this demo session.